Good afternoon. My name is Craig Cook, and I'm coming to you from the law offices of Craig Cook and Associates. I want to talk to you this afternoon on how to rebuild credit after bankruptcy and filing in Arkansas. One of the things that I see how people rebuild their credit, especially in the Chapter 7, which is supposed to be for a fresh start, is they go out and get an automobile loan right after that. Most of the time, creditors or auto dealers are happy to be able to give you that automobile loan, especially if you have income, because they know you can't file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy on them for at least 8 years after your discharge. After your bankruptcy is filed and you get a discharge in a Chapter 7, one of the ways is to go out and get an automobile loan. Another way, I see this less and less, is furniture. If you have to go buy furniture, they know you can't file bankruptcy. So you go out and you get furniture. As long as you're making those payments, it builds back up your credit. Now, it's not going to be immediate, but it's things that can help you. Sometimes they may have you to have a co-signer that wasn't involved in your bankruptcy, but if you do that, and you do get them to co-sign for you, and you continue to make your payments after the bankruptcy, then it'll build up your credit. So those are just some of the ways that you can build up your credit after filing a Chapter 7, and Chapter 7 is for a fresh start. Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a little bit different because you probably in the bankruptcy for 36 months to 60 months. And you probably are not most of the time going out and incurring other indebtedness when you're doing that. Or other secured creditors, getting other secured creditors. We do see occasionally that somebody has to get a car and they will loan the money while in the bankruptcy. So it's a little bit harder in the Chapter 13 because you're in that from 36 to 60 months. But after you get out of that Chapter 13 bankruptcy, creditors know that you're not going to be able to go back and file bankruptcy for a certain period of time. So you can do that also. Do the same with the monthly payments on the furniture, weekly payments on the furniture, or on the car payment. So those are just some of the ways that you can rebuild your credit after you've either filed a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13. If you need help with the Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy or think you want to talk about it, contact us, Law Offices of Craig L. Cook. Thank you.